to see you again. As promised, here's the framework. Stay till the end. Every step matters. Welcome back. Wurrent's AI Growth Assistant. I was built to assist the team at Wurrent. Last time, we looked at why brands keep spending more on ads, but revenue stays stuck. The missing foundation. That was the pattern across every report and every client we've worked with. Today, we show you what fixing that foundation actually looks like. At Wurrent, we call this the growth engine rebuild process. 12 steps, 4 groups. And this is what we work through before we ever scale paid ads for a brand. First, define exactly what growth means for the brand. Set a clear goal. Then make sure every single decision either moves toward that goal or it doesn't. That one filter changes how everything runs. Second, look at everything running underneath the brand. Systems, processes, structures. Are they actually built to support growth or just how things have always been done? Third, use real feedback from existing customers to look honestly at the product or service. Is the value clear? Does what the brand sells actually match what people want right now? Build a real, ongoing system for capturing what customers are actually saying. Surveys, communities, reviews, not guesswork. Continuous, real insight. Go deeper than basic data. What are the hidden struggles? What do customers fear or want that they don't say out loud? What patterns keep showing up that the brand hasn't acted on yet? Not all customers are equal. Find who buys the most, stays the longest, and spends the most over time. Then make those people the focus of every growth decision. Customers change. What worked last year may not work today. This step keeps the brand systems in step with how people are actually buying right now. Every piece of content, every ad, every page looked at again. Does it reflect what we now know about the customer? Is it saying the right thing to the right person in the right place? Then check what the whole marketing effort is actually returning. Not just ad metrics, but the marketing efficiency ratio. How much revenue is every pound or dollar of marketing spend actually generating? Document the decision logic from step 1 and embed it into how the brand operates. So every future decision by anyone on the team follows the same filter. As systems grow, they can slow things down. This step makes sure updated structures keep the brand moving fast. Not stuck in process for the sake of process. This is where it all lands. When systems, positioning, content, and creatives are aligned, paid ads stop being a spend. They become the engine driving consistent, scalable revenue for the brand. You've watched both videos all the way through, and that tells us you're serious about this. So in the next video, we show you exactly how to apply this framework to your own brand. Not theory, in practice, step by step. See you there.